And so at this very juncture, I would like to avail of this chance of uh, sharing with you the most important things that every believer in the Lord Jesus Christ should consider. Each and every one of us, God has a marvelous plan. And that plan is not only an ordinary plan, but it's the best and the highest plan for each and every one of us. So if we want to make 1995 a very fruitful and very memorable year, then it's about time that we make some, well, the usual things that people do before stepping on a new year is making resolutions. So many people nowadays, for the whole world perhaps, are making resolutions. You may be getting ready with your resolutions now before the year 1995 comes. But we should remember that God is always looking after what we are in store for us for the year 1995. Nothing is impossible with God. So to all of you, Happy New Year. A blessed New Year to all.